Okay.
Yes,
Okay then.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Then I will take your test of this active and passive voice. Got it? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Till
ma'am.
now. Okay. Till now, whatever we have done. Okay. I will ask. I will take its test. Right? Right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, students, how it has happened, I forgot how I forgot to send this. Okay. Today I will send. Okay. Now, today we are going to start with past perfect tense. Okay. In past perfect tense, we use subject plus, write down in your copies and turn on your back cameras. Okay. The same thing if you are comfortable. Otherwise, I have to check your copies. Okay. Had plus been plus third form of verb. Ruhani, write down. Ruhani. Okay, let me ask from Akshita Rana. Akshita Rana, are you satisfied with your marks which you have got yesterday? I have published your marks. Now you are satisfied? Akshita, are you
Yes,
satisfied
ma'am.
now? You got how many marks did you get?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know, your 16 and 16 you have got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dekho beta, when negative sentences will be there, okay? This was the rule of affirmative sentences. And when negative sentences will be there, then you have to put not between had and been. Okay, you have to put not between had and means had not been. Write down the negative sentence. Write down object plus had plus not plus been plus third form of verb. Okay, write down object plus had plus not plus been, B-double-E-N. Okay, it is been, not being. Being was in continuous tenses. Now been, B-double-E-N, been plus third form of verb. Okay, and now you know this that in the perfect tenses third form of verb is already there. Okay, you know na, this thing third form of verb is already there. Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
now in interrogative sentences, you know this thing that had will come in front. Okay, first of all, had will come. Had will be placed before the subject. Remember this thing. When there is interrogative sentence, then had will be placed before the subject. Means had plus subject plus been, the rest of the sentence plus third form of verb. Okay, had plus object plus been plus third form of verb. Okay, now let us start. I had, write down, I had worn blue shoes. I had worn blue shoes. I had worn, okay, wear, worn, worn. Okay, third form of verb is already there because perfect tense is going on. So third form of verb is already there. Write down, I had worn blue shoes. Okay, for Alok, 1266, Alok.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you change it into passive voice, beta. Now rest of the students, please turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras. Okay, camera should be on. Listen this thing. And audio should be off. Okay. Now Alok, beta, change the sentence to passive voice. Okay. I had worn blue shoes. Blue shoes. Yes, try karo. Try beta, Alok.
Blue shoes had
Been, had plus been.
had been worn by me.
Very good, Alok. Very good. Blue shoes had been worn by me. Okay, subject becomes object. जो वहाँ object था, आप आगे लेकर आ गए, it became subject. Then blue shoes. Now it is past perfect tense. Okay, had देखो had भी वहाँ पे पहले से है. Look, had is already there in the past perfect tense. तुमने क्या किया? एक been use किया है. Third form of verb is already there. Had is already there. But you have used only been. B-double-E-N. बस. Okay, and you have make the subject as object and object as subject. Okay, blue shoes आगे ले आया. Blue shoes had been worn is also written. Worn by I changes to me. Okay, in the active voice, the active voice object will become पैसिव वॉइस सब्जेक्ट. जो पीछे वाला था वो आगे आ गया, ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया. ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया सब्जेक्ट. और जो फर्स्ट एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सब्जेक्ट होता है, इट विल कम एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस, एट द एंड ऑफ द पैसिव फॉर्म. जैसे आई था वो लास्ट में गया, बाय मी, इट इज फॉलोड बाय बाय. अब आई हैड वॉर्न ब्लू शूज, तो आप ब्लू शूज को आगे ले आए. ब्लू शूज. ओके, हैड इज ऑलरेडी देयर. हैड बीन, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, that is also given. Worn. Ab I, okay, it will come at the end of the sentence. आप पीछे लेके जाओगे इसको. I changes to me. Okay, and it is followed by me. So blue shoes had worn by me. Now tell me, this is clear? This is clear?
Yes,
Alok
ma'am.
has very
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Alok has very beautifully gave the answer. Sejal 3295. Why your camera is off, Sejal? Why your camera is off?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Ritesh Kumar. Ritesh Kumar 1257.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down, first of all, write down and then give the answer. We had lost the key. We had lost the key. Write down. And Sejal is going to give the answer. Sorry, Ritesh Kumar. We had lost the key. We had lost the key.
The key lost by me.
The key. Okay,
Lost
the key.
by me.
अच्छा. Where is your had? Where is your been? वो कहाँ लगानी है आपने? Ritesh. The key. Okay, the key. After key, what will come? The key had been lost by we changes to us. The key had been lost by us. Ritesh, it means you have not read. Okay, you have not gone through its rule. इतना इजी क्यों नहीं आया तुम्हें? अब तक ये तुम्हें आ जाना चाहिए था. Okay. Now next is Tania. Tania will tell.
Ma'am, next Tanya, I will tell. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. मैम
Ma'am,
आपकी
your
आवाज
voice
नहीं
is
आ
not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your voice is not coming.
your voice is not
Ma'am,
coming.
your voice is not coming.
Wait a minute, beta. Wait a minute. Now it is audible.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I got the answer. Okay. He had already. Okay, sorry. What did I say? He had already finished his work.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute. Don't write it. Wait a minute. Don't write it. Okay. Write the next sentence. Tanya, you will say, they had started a fight. They had started a fight. Tanya.
He had one. Ma'am, he had already finished the work. Ma'am, had.
Okay. He had already finished the work. This sentence you have written. Okay. Abhi change it, beta.
No, ma'am. They had started the fight, ma'am. ये लिख लिया. No, ma'am.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं. दोनों को लिख लो. कोई बात नहीं. First of all, write down they had started a fight. They had started a fight. Tanya will tell. Tanya, आप बोलो.
A fight. A fight.
The fight, आगे. The fight. They had started a fight. A fight. आगे Tanya, what will come? Had is also already given, beta. Tanya. A fight had
been started by.
A fight had been started by them. Okay, a fight had been started by them. Okay, Priyanshi and Divyansh. Priyanshi, he had already finished the work. Write down. He had already finished the work. Okay, Priyanshi and Divyansh. Priyanshi, tell me. He had already finished his work. The work.
Finished.
जल्दी बोलो.
Finished पे आगे.
The work. The work. No, Priyanshi and Divyansh will tell.
The work had been finished already.
The work had been already finished by him. The work had been already finished by him.
The work had already been, okay? The work had already been finished by him. Okay. Now, abhi beta beech mein bolna aapne, theek hai? Don't interrupt, okay? When your turn will be there, when I will call your name, then you will give the answer. ऐसा बीच में नहीं बोलना है. Yes.
Ma'am, repeat again.
The work had already been finished by he tha to him. The work had already been finished by
Ma'am, your
him.
voice is.
The work had already been finished by him. Now, Abhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will tell, okay? Okay. Now, Abhi, write down, you had stolen my watch. You had stolen my watch. And you know this thing that you doesn't change, you become you, as it is you hi rahega. You had stolen my watch. Abhi will tell.
Yes, ma'am. My watch had been stole by you.
Beta, stole, why you are saying stole? Stolen is already given because this is a past perfect tense and in it we use third form of verb already. So stolen is already given. Okay. Now, speak out once again, Abhi.
Ma'am, my watch had been stolen by you.
Very good. My watch had been stolen by you. Very good.
Mommy,
you had stolen my watch and now its passive voice is my watch had been stolen by you. Now, Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyush, write down. Abhi, be on mute mode. Turn off your audio. Okay. Pratyush. Okay. Pratyush, do fast. I had not tested his eyes. I had not tested his eyes. I had not. Ashish Kumar 2543. Why you are not writing, Ashish Kumar?
Ma'am, repeat the sentence.
Let me see. Ashish Kumar, show me your copy. Copy batana apni. Ashish Kumar. Copy, show me your copy. Turn on your back camera and turn on your back camera. Nothing is visible. Back camera on karo and show me your copy. करो कॉपी बताओ अपनी. आशीष कुमार 2543. शो मी योर कॉपी. कॉपी बताओ आप. अनम्यूट करो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. and then turn on your back camera. Ma'am, my back camera not working. Okay, ऐसे बताओ copy सामने front camera में. Show me your copy. बताओ आशीष कुमार. It is blur. थोड़ा पास लाओ कैमरा. कुछ नहीं लिखा है. Nothing is written. कुछ नहीं लिखा आशीष कुमार. Just doing time pass in the class. क्या कर रहे थे इतनी देर की? तुम क्या कर रहे थे ये बताओ. बस ऐसे क्लास ऑन किया है. Just sitting idle in the class. क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हो? मत लिखो. जब स्कूल खोलेंगे तब when we will do once again तब तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम होगी. ये याद रखना. Don't waste time. ऐसे बैठा sitting idle. Okay. अभिनय एंड आशीष उनको देख लेते हैं. उनका क्या हाल है? अभिनय ठाकुर एंड आशीष कुमार. आशीष ठाकुर. अभिनय एंड आशीष ठाकुर.
Yes, ma'am.
अब शो मी योर कॉपी. कॉपी बताओ क्या लिख रहे हो तुम लोग. अभिनय एंड आशीष, डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम. डू फास्ट. अभिनय एंड आशीष कभी कभी दिखते हैं. अभिनय एंड आशीष मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द कैमरास आर ऑफ. ओके. सेजल 3295. ओके सेजल 3295.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
Sejal. I had not tested. Write down. I had not tested his eyes. I had not tested his eyes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Now, wait a minute. Your turn will also come. Let Sejal speak first. Sejal. I had not tested his eyes. Now, this is a negative sentence, Sejal. Okay. This is a negative sentence, and I told you that not will be placed between had and been. Means had not been. Okay. Had been not. It is wrong. Had not been hoga. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, right. Okay. Now, Sejal, tell me.
Ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Sejal. Sejal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Speak out.
his eyes had not. Ma'am,
Very
his
good.
eyes had not been tested by me.
Very good. His eyes had not been tested by me. Very good. Answer is correct. देखो, negative sentence was there. So you place not between had and. Okay, not will be placed between had and been, or had or been के बीच में not again. Had not been. Okay, very good. Raghav Parmar 1310.
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav. Okay, write down. You will give the answer. We had not plucked these flowers. We had not. Write down AV, active voice, and then PV, passive voice. We had not plucked. PLUCKED, plucked. We had not plucked these flowers. You will not read it as flowers. Okay, it is flowers. We had not plucked these flowers. Okay, Raghav Parmar.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vita. Abhay is there, I think. Yes, Abhay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of
Plugged. PLUCKED. Plugged. PLUCKED. Okay, now. Better don't interrupt. Don't interrupt.
No.
Listen this thing. Don't interrupt.
Ma'am,
Right.
I had not tested his eyes. Answer क्या है?
His eyes had not been tested by me. His eyes had not been tested by me. Abhay, don't ask कि ma'am इसका आंसर क्या? ठीक है, ask like this, ma'am. What is the passive form of this sentence? I had not tested his eyes. Okay, like this. Okay, Abhay, you are supposed to ask like this. Okay, don't say कि madam इसका आंसर क्या है. तुम क्या बोलोगे, ma'am? What is the passive form of?
Ma'am.
I think there is some network issue. Please give your answer, whatever you want to say in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Pratyush, good beta. Okay. Who was supposed to give the answer? Raghav Parmar. Okay, Raghav Parmar. Now you speak out. What is its answer? We had not plucked these flowers.
This flower was
Flowers.
not. This flower had not plucked by us.
This, I think these, beta. These flowers had, okay.
Had not plucked by
Had not been plucked by
us.
us. Okay, good, Raghav.
us.
Okay, now this, let me ask with Vritti. Vritti,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, write down the next. Now, this is the case
Yes,
of
ma'am.
interrogative sentences. Okay, now interrogative sentences come. Now, in interrogative sentences,
Ma'am.
yes. Now, listen. Yes,
Ma'am, we
yes.
had not plucked the flower cancer.
Abhi, I told you how you. Wait a minute, Abhi. I will not give you the answer. First of all, Abhi, there is some network issue. Abhi, तुम कैसे क्लास में आंसर पूछ रहे हो? What is the way of asking the answer? How I told you this thing, that how you will ask the answer. Ma'am, what is the passive form of? Okay, we had not
plucked the flower.
Abhay, I think it is not difficult for you to change it into passive form. तुम्हें difficult लगा ये? बताओ मुझे. You can make its passive form. Then why you are asking? क्या बनेगी इसकी passive? बताओ अभय.
What is sentence?
We had not plucked these flowers. Abhay, these flowers had not been plucked by us. We changes to us. These flowers had not been plucked by us. मुझे नहीं लगता, I don't think so कि तुम्हें need है कि मैम इसका आंसर क्या होगा. Because हम बहुत टाइम से we are doing this active and passive, and I think you can do. Okay, Vritti, your turn is there. Had they forgive us? Had they forgiven us? Sorry, had they forgiven us? Okay, Vritti, this is an interrogative sentence. Now you have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, put a question mark. Now, Vritti, change it into passive form. Had they forgiven?
The sentence.
Had they forgiven us? Had they forgiven us?
Had been, ma'am, had been, if had been,
Listen, you have to place had before the subject.
be forgiven by the, ma'am, had been, we forgiven by the,
Vritti, wait a minute. Vritti, wait a minute, beta.
ma'am,
Look at
had been, we forgiven by.
Hold on, Vritti, hold on. Vritti, first of all, see the rule interrogative sentences. You have to put had before the subject, okay? After the subject, been will come, okay? Had been will not be there. Had, then subject, and then been. Up now, Vritti, now up, batao. First of all, had, then subject, and then been. Now, Vritti. Now, Vritti, speak out.
Yes, ma'am. Had we been forgiven by them?
Okay.
Ma'am, had we been forgiven by them?
Very good. Okay. Had we been forgiven by them? Had we been forgiven by them? Okay. Sign of interrogation will be there. Okay. Had will come before the subject. Okay. We se pehle had aa gaya. After that, you use been. Had we been? Yes, Shranav. Yes, Shranav.
मैम आपने इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस का रूल लिखवाया है?
Yes, beta. I think मैंने लिखवाया है. Had plus object plus been plus third form of verb. Okay. Now next is Pratyush turn. Yes.
Had forgiven us.
Okay. Forgiven. 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 Forgiven.
What is the sentence?
Had they forgiven us? The sentence was had they forgiven us. And its passive voice is had we been forgiven by them. Okay.
Passive voice sentence.
Passive voice, I told you. Had we been forgiven by them? This Vritti has also given the answer. Now, Priya. Priya.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, had they, write down, had they defeated us? Do fast. Had they defeated, D-E-F-E-A-T-E-D, defeated. Had they defeated us? Sign of interrogation. Had they defeated us? Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Had we
Yes.
had
we
been defeated by them?
Very good. Had we been defeated by sign of interrogation? Very good. Yeah. Had we been defeated by them? Okay. Now, Arushi. Okay. Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
We write down negative sentences there. We had not won the trophy. We had not won the trophy. We had not won the trophy. Okay.
The trophy had not been won by us.
Very good. The trophy had not been
Ma'am,
won
repeat
by
sentence.
us. We had not won the trophy. T-R-O-P-H-Y. We had
Ma'am,
not
can I
won the... Arushi has given the answer. Okay, you can.
Ma'am, next sentence.
Okay, oh, the next sentence. Okay. The trophy had been won by them. Okay, come to the next sentence. Okay, they, Akshita was there, na? They had finished the job by Monday. They had finished the job by Monday. Okay, Akshita.
Ma'am, repeat
Akshita.
again.
They had finished the job by Monday. Akshita Rana.
Ma'am, the job had been finished by them on Monday.
By Monday, okay, by them, by Monday, okay, you can write by Monday in the bracket, okay. Now, last Shranav, because time is going to be there. Shranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, last sentences. They had not bought the paper. Shranav, they had not bought the paper. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Trophy, T-R-O-P-H-Y, Vritti, T-R-O-P-H-Y, spelling of trophy. T-R-O-P-H-Y. Okay, Shranav, they had not bought the pen. Sorry, paper. They had not bought the paper.
Paper has not been gotten by them.
Sorry, Shranav.
Paper has not been gotten by them.
Why you are using brought?
Ma'am, repeat sentence.
They had not, they had not bought the paper. They had not bought the paper. The paper had not been bought by them. Okay, because third form of verb is already given. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Okay, bring का होता है bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. So third form of verb is already there. Okay. Now write down the next sentence. Yes, beta. Yes.
मैम, हमारा फ्राइडे को एक सेंटेंस रह गया था. Have you ever seen a tiger?
Have you ever seen? I think I have sent all the answers in your. I think in notes tab.
Notes tab.
है ना? In the
Yes,
notes
ma'am.
I have sent. Okay. Now the last is okay. Anshika 1386. Anshika 1386.
Yes,
Had she okay? Had she solved the problem? Write down the interrogative sentence. Had she solved the problem? Not too fast. Had she solved the problem? Yes, Anshika. Anshika.
The problem
Had,
had been solved.
Beta, first of all, see, this is an interrogative
The
sentence.
problem had been
This is an interrogative sentence. See it. Had she solved the problem? Had से start होगा ना? This is an interrogative. Had
the problem solved by her.
Had the problem been solved by क्या लिखा है बताओ इसमें क्या लिखा है? She तो naturally okay. Okay, now tell me, did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes,
समझ में आया? आज मैंने
Yes,
पैसिव
ma'am.
सीखा होगा आपका. Okay, today please revise your active and passive.
They had finished the job by Monday.